God, this is not good. We're in the tornado watch until 9 p.m.
It's okay.
Dad, can I see the outside?
I don't care. More.
So guys, it's raining so hard outside. It's a severe thunderstorm. We're gonna have a.
You're looking outside, but you don't see what you're recording at all. You're not even recording anything at all. You know that?
I am recording that.
No, you're recording them.
The lights was flickering, and I think we have to get prepared. Right, Mom? Right, Mom?
Hmm?
We have to get prepared. The tornado, watch that's gonna happen. It means all of us needs to come to see it. Oh shoot. Achilles Hades, come upstairs! Come see the tornado watch!
It's not good. It's heavy rain. It's a thunderstorm.
Tornado warning. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Thunderstorm warning. Oh shoot!
Severe thunderstorm warning only.
Oh.
There's no tornado.
Well, God, yeah. Oh God.
We'll be fine. The ends at 7.
Shut up. But you want a tornado watch right there? Watch that. That's called tornado watch. But instead it's called severe thunderstorm warning.
Oh God.
We'll be fine. It's nothing. It's good, don't
No, she didn't find no more.
Oh my God. This is totally not good. A severe thunderstorm is in our area
I
now.
go out, so you guys might be scared.
Yep. It better not be a tri-tornado. Because tri-tornado is the most deadliest. As you know, I watched that video.
Is it hell?
No. It's not hell.
Hey guys, I gotta tell you something. Over 2 months ago at 3rd grade, there was actually
Hey,
no.
out.
There was an actual tornado watch, and so we have another one, and we got 2 severe
Be
thunderstorms.
quiet, Bob. Can I hear them talking?
Oh my God. Guys, there's a bit part 2 coming. So bye.